they come from troubled homes, but the kids are just kids who are kind of getting shuffled around in a different situation. Each family is different. I've had good experiences and I've had bad, but for the most part, it has all been very positive. And I've told them, it's almost like you work as a team. You've got your captain and your co-captain. When working with them and understanding, their situation and even with the kids, it's all about being able to be flexible. And I will not say that I'm the very best at it. We all have challenges. At the same time, when I'm talking to other people, I'm like, the best thing you can do is you just have to be really flexible and open-minded about everything. One family that I worked with, seeing the two girls being reunited back with their dad, it was really unexpected. The actual joy that you feel, you're just like, oh my God, everybody is making it, they're doing okay, and just seeing them thrive. I never would have guessed it when I started that I would be as happy as I was. So I do think that foster parents develop a long-lasting bond with their foster children. My first placement, she's 23 now, so she's now had a baby, and when she first came into care, she was 15, 16. And when she graduated year before last, seeing her and just being so happy to see that, she's really thriving on her own and doing very well. You just want everybody to really be okay. The bond is definitely there, and they're so excited to tell you how they're coping and developing now with either if they've gone back home or moved to a new home in foster care. So it's such a beautiful thing to see, to watch them grow up. Being a foster care parent is rewarding and fun and sometimes a little crazy, but mostly fun.